Hey, what's going on, guys? So, the Dremel fell apart. I'm not too sure what's going on here. Let's see if I can get you guys a closer look. So this just pulled right out. Well, actually I was carving and then it stopped spinning. And then I unhooked it up to see if the shaft was broken, but it looks like that's okay. But then I unscrewed it from the Dremel and then this fell apart. Just like that. So I'm going to check out do some surgery on this and see if I can fix it. So yeah, I'm not too sure what's going on here. Well, yeah. So it looks like this broke off. See if I have some electrical tape. Alright, so I put the spring back on in this little end washer. Let's see if some electrical tape will work. Probably leave it like that. Alrighty, let's get this hooked back on there. See how this works. Go. And just try it out. Plug it back in. Alrighty, I think it's working good. The locks, yep. And we're back, and the electric tape did not hold up. So here's the inner shaft, which is fine. It is this outer casing hose that has melted and broken off that causes the flex shaft to stop spinning. So I am going to take this apart again and see what I can do. Not so much of an easy fix, is it? Hopefully I can salvage it. I don't really want to buy a new flex shaft. Don't use something, I think it slides out. I feel like it's missing something, but it's not in there. I'm trying to put some more electrical tape, see how long it holds up. Alright, let's see if this works. In there. Okay. Let's put the flex shaft back in here. Gotta put it in through the other side. Alright, let's try this again. Let's see if this works. Try it again. Alright, good to work with. So yeah, just a temporary fix with some electrical tape. Not sure how long this would last, but if you're in a bind and don't want to buy a new flex shaft right away, you can give this a try. Let you know how long this lasts, this temporary fix. Hope this was helpful. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye bye.